So here is the Temu big discount code. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle. And use my code ACR697477 to get additional 30% discount. So once you're in the Temu website, scroll down and go through the deals and discounts they offer. So here, as you can see, they have sections like fast delivery, price drop, etc. Just select whichever one that you want. Then scroll down further and select whichever product that you want to purchase. From this section, I will go with this watch right here. So click on it and choose whichever variant you want. After that, click on Add to Cart. So once the item is added to your cart, go to your cart. After that, click on Checkout. In the Checkout section under Order Summary, type in the code ACR697477 and hit Apply. After that, click on Submit Order to confirm your order.